Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune a Toyota Supra. First, assess your Supra's current state and define your performance objectives. Research popular modifications tailored to your specific model, ensuring compatibility and effectiveness. Always prioritize safety and the car's long-term reliability over simply chasing maximum horsepower. A well-planned approach ensures a balanced and enjoyable driving experience. To boost your Supra's power, begin with an upgraded air intake system to enhance engine breathing. For substantial horsepower gains, consider installing a larger, more efficient turbocharger. Complement these changes with a high-performance exhaust system. This reduces back pressure, allowing the engine to exhale more freely, which not only improves power, but also delivers a more aggressive and satisfying engine note. Improving your Supra's handling is crucial for a complete tuning experience. Start by installing adjustable coilovers, allowing you to fine-tune ride height and damping for optimal performance. Next, add stiffer sway bars to significantly reduce body roll, enhancing stability during aggressive cornering. Finally, invest in high-performance tires. They are your car's only contact with the road and provide superior grip and responsiveness. After installing your upgrades, a professional ECU tune is essential to optimize your Supra's performance, ensuring all components work harmoniously and safely. Remember to regularly inspect and maintain all new parts to preserve reliability and performance. For a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keeping your car clean is almost as satisfying as driving it fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.